Welcome to our YouTube video on how to change the layout of your Instagram stories. In this full guide, we'll walk you through the steps to create visually stunning stories with different photo layouts. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap the plus icon located at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. Select Story to start a new story. Step 4. Now, tap the layout icon in the left menu. Step 5. To reveal additional options, tap the 4-part grid. Here's where it gets exciting. You can choose to include 2, 3, 4, or 6 photos in your layout based on your preference and the story you want to tell. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily change the layout of your Instagram stories to create eye-catching and engaging content. Don't be afraid to experiment and let your creativity flow. Now you have the power to captivate your audience with unique visual storytelling. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Happy story crafting!